Hi, I'm Shelley Stanger Nelson, an average person doing extraordinary things every day as a bioenergy healing science professional, just like you. And today I'm out here watching Rachel and Serafina have a pleasurable, fun experience with each other as they connect to one another and have fun. And I'm here to talk about pleasure. And the thing I want you to think about this week is, how do you derive your pleasure? Because there are two ways that we derive our pleasure. We get it either from a positive place or a negative place. So here's the idea. Pleasure is linked to our human bioenergy field. A lot of it's dictated through this second chakra. Here's the place right above the pubic bone and at the sacrum where this energy center lets us experience our pleasure. And it's experienced all through the energy field. You know the times when you've had just a really wonderful time and you're like, oh, it feels great all over my body. Yes? So unless we are able to connect in with a positive aspect of deriving our pleasure, like Sarah and Rachel obviously are, having a connection, a deep and fun connection with the self, to another thing or person or to God, we are going to get our pleasure in a negative aspect. The idea is it's all about energy moving. Watch them. Energy is moving through them. You can see it in them and through them. So negative pleasure is things like when we call somebody up, ooh, and we gossip and collude, and it feels pleasurable, right? Or when we have our energy field in a state of withholding, we say, no, I'm not going to show you who I am. Or if somebody makes us mad and we want to teach them a lesson, if you will, by not talking to them. All this negative pleasure. So my question to you for this week, looking up into next week, is how many times do you let yourself have a full, blissful, positive pleasure experience? Do you even know how to do it? Or do you get most of your pleasure through negative talk or gossip or a willful withholding or engaging in activities that you know aren't good for you, drugs, alcohol, bad food? Come on, we all know that pleasure. Give me some ice cream and a Coke, right? Okay. So until next week, just remember, it's all about energy moving. That's what we're doing. No shame, no judgment, and find a positive way to derive pleasure. And so it is. See ya. Is that fun?